learning. So this is going to be my third video on English courses of graduation. So if you have applied for any courses in English, like that may be English honors or BA English, then this video is going to be very useful for you. So watch this video till last. And let me tell you that before this I have uploaded 2 videos on English honors. If you haven't checked them, you can go for them also. I'll provide the link in the description box. And apart from that, if you are interested in knowing about educational news, then also you can go for my videos. So now let's start. So let me tell you what I'm going to cover up in this video for BA English course. First of all, I'll be telling you what is this course all about. Then I will tell you which subjects you can opt for in this course, duration of this course, top colleges for this course, fees of those colleges. Apart from that, I'll be telling you career options, means for which careers you can go, and then I'll be telling you how much salary you can expect if you go for those jobs. So as I have told you that I'm going to tell you all about BA English in this video. So let me tell you that this is also just like English honors. This is also a 3 years undergraduate course, and it will have 6 semesters. Means in 3 years you will have to appear in 6 semesters. Eligibility criteria for this course is 45%. In English honors it was 50%, but here it is 45%. So if you have got if you have got little less marks, then also you can apply for this course. But ultimate decision will be taken by the universities for their cutoffs. So that those are very high, and you should expect admission in top colleges if you have scored above 90%, then only. Otherwise, in other colleges you can easily get admission. So now what is the benefit of choosing this course is that this course actually allows the aspirants to develop their communication skills, plus to go into the roots of the English language. So if you know that English is the international language, wherever you go in the world you are required to speak in English, because all the other languages are not known to everybody. So if you go for this course, it is really going to prove very beneficial for all of you. Moreover, one more thing I want to say here, that this is my personal suggestion to you guys, that if you don't get admission in BA honors of the college of your choice, suppose your marks are little bit less and you get a good college, if you get a good college of your choice and the course is BA English, then you should go for that. Don't skip that, don't miss that. Actually you can easily go for that, because the career opportunities are rather not, there is not much difference if we talk about English honors and this English like BA English course. So now one more thing, let me tell you that what is the more difference, what is the other difference between English honors and this BA English course, that in English honors basically you have to study all the subjects related to English only. Here in BA English also, basically means your main focus will be on English language only, but apart from English also you will have to take 2 more subjects also. So that will be another thing that you should see, that in English honors only English, and that will be rather more vast than compared to the syllabus of this BA English. So in BA English also you are going to study all about English language, its development from the present, from the past to the present times, and all types of dramas and poetry and novels and everything you are going to study, grammar, phonetics, everything. But in English honors also you are going to do everything, but that will be vaster. That will be vaster than the syllabus of this BA in English, and in BA in English you will have to study 2 more subjects also. So this is all about BA English, what will be the course and all. So now let us see what is the fees of this course. Actually, as in English honors, the fees of this course also varies from college to college. Means it all depends upon the facilities provided by the different colleges, how much you will have to pay for that, from 15,000 to 1 lakh per annum. So now let me tell you which are the top colleges which for which you can opt for this BA English. Of the colleges, I'm going to tell you the fees of those particular colleges also, so that may prove very useful for all of you, because you must consider that factor also. First factor is obviously the cut off, and if you get the admission in that college of your choice, then you have to consider the fees also. So you should check that thing also. So first top college that is providing this BA English course is St. Stephen's. Same means for the English honors also St. Stephen's comes on the top, and here also for BA English also St. Stephen's comes first. So for the fees is around 55,000 per year. So you have to pay 55,000 per year. The second college that is providing this BA English course, means many colleges are providing, but we are talking about the top colleges. That is Lady Shri Ram College, and there the fees is same like the fees of this college is also the same like St. Stephen's, that is 55,000 per year. I'm not telling you the exact amount, it may vary little bit here and there. So you should get some rough idea that this much money you have to keep ready if you want to go for these courses. So 55,000 for both colleges. Then third is obviously Christ University, Bangalore, but here again the fees is very high. If you want to go for this for this university, and if you get chance to go to this university, you have to keep around 2.5 lakhs ready. So 1 year fees will be 2.5 lakhs. So this much you have to pay. So this is the difference between the fees of various colleges of Delhi University and this Christ University. So now one more college I can suggest you, Fergusson College, Pune. So this one more college is also providing very good course in BA English. So if you want, you can opt for that. I couldn't get the fee structure of this college. So if you can get from somewhere else, you can do that. Now let us talk about the career options. So as I told you that like in English honors, you can go for all the career options which are related to language and communication skills and all. So here for BA English, there are more career opportunities. If we are talking about English honors, so their career options are rather limited. I mean, there you can go for media and advertising and teaching and all these things. But here if you are doing BA English, then you have more career options. Yes, the most important difference is that if you are pursuing English honors, then you can go for teaching in the higher schools, means senior secondary and senior secondary classes, and you can become a lecturer of English also. But if you are doing BA English, then you can go only for primary teachers, PRT teachers. So that is another thing. But if you do MA in English later on, then you can go for higher classes also. So mind it that if you want to go for higher classes and if you have done BA English, then you will have to do MA in English also. So that is the basic difference. But apart from that, other careers for which you can go after doing this BA English course are that you can go for web designing, you can go for like HRs in various multinational companies, you can go for public relation officers, you can go for sales and marketing also, you can go for bank jobs also, you can go for different fields. So now I think you should know this thing. Now according to your choice, you should decide which course is better for you. Means if you are more inclined towards teaching, it may be in schools also, it may be in colleges also, or your personal coaching. Or if you want to go for like content related jobs, content writer or something, you want to become a writer, then you should opt for English honors. But if you want to try your hand at different fields, means if you will do this BA English, definitely your communicative skills will be improved, your confidence will be improved, you will become better in your public speaking and all these things you are going to improve. But if you want to try your hand in different jobs like marketing, sales, banks, or you can say HR in multinational companies or anything, then you should go for BA English course. So this is the basic difference. And now one more thing I want to tell you, that if you are expecting your salary, means if you were expecting 4 lakhs per annum salary in after doing that English honors course, so here in BA English you can expect rather more salary at initial stages. at the nascent stages, you can expect more salary than BA, than that English honors course. So that is another thing. So many people think that BA is BA English and all is it is something you can say lesser than English honors. So that is wrong. You should see your choice, what you want to do. Don't just be a part of the rat race that many people are interested in doing English honors, so I will also do that. No, you can go according to your choice. That should be your decision. Your decision should be according to your choice, what you want to do in your life. So I think this much information is enough for you guys, and I have told you, I have compared both the courses in this video also. Like I have told you everything related to English honors and BA English. So now it's up to you which course you want to opt for. But obviously the first thing will be your cutoff, means then only you will be able to make any choice. So best of luck all of you. May you get the college of your choice, may you get the course of your choice and move ahead in your new journey. So good luck everybody, and don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to the channel also, and do share it with your friends also. So thank you everybody.